Please stand for a moment of silent meditation and remain standing as we honor our nation in reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. And now, join me for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Foley High School. My name is Anderson Davis.
I'm Amy McFarland.
And I'm Taylor Strait.
And you're watching
The Live Pride News.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our montage of all of the coaches, and today is National Coach Day.
Did you know that our own principal is also a coach?
Go Lions! There will be a TSA robotics meeting after school today.
Seniors, save your date. On October 1st, the FAFSA will open up for all the seniors to complete. On October 21st at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria, there will be a FAFSA help night. On October 19th, Coastal Alabama Community College will have a senior field trip for a college fair. And October 18th through 22nd, Alabama Free College Application Week.
There will be an Interact Club meeting this Thursday in Coach Davis's room in the morning.
Hey juniors and seniors, are you interested in enlisting in the military or just need feedback on what career will suit you? Make sure you sign up to take the ASVAB, and it will take place October 28th. Go to your Google Classroom class of 22 or class of 23, and if you have any questions, go see Ms. O'Toole or Mr. Kessler in the 900 counselor office.
Good morning, Foley High School. My name is Casey Merchant, and here's today's weather. Today, we'll have early showers with scattered thunderstorms developing later in the day. There will also be a 50% chance of rain. Now to Mira.
Thanks, Casey. The high for today will be 81 and the low will be 68. Now on to sports.
Good morning, Lion fans.
Turn the lights on.
Good morning, Lion fans. I'm Mamie.
I'm Reese.
I'm Jackson.
I'm Shug.
And you're watching
The Locker Room Report.
Our JV and freshman football teams will travel to McGill-Tulane on Monday to take on the Jackets.
Come out this Friday night at home as we take on Davis. Be there at 7.
Don't forget to purchase your tickets on GoFan, and the theme is Pink Out.
And that's all for the Locker Room Report.
Foley Great High School Day.
Have a great day, Foley High School.
Go Lions!
Thank you. How much are you paying?
It's a pizza for you and me.
And that's a wrap, Foley High School.
Don't forget, today is Wednesday, October the 6th.
Have a great day.
Go Lions!